I've been pondering making a bubblegum red such as you see here, and my best pondering is done with a cookie and some coffee. So I decided I'd make some coffee and think about it. Use a clear base with an abundance of red concentrate, and then that would allow me to have this bubblegum red that was a recipe I picked up from Tom Dispenza and his group. These are the colors I'm using from Chromastics. Link is in the description. And this is the end result. I really like it. Now I'm going to show you a really interesting technique. It's a very simple technique to do. After using Kenra volume spray and then combing the hair to one direction, I then use a little bit more and then use a flat iron to smooth out or press out the look, give it a curve. Work this way around, some of it going up and then back, the rest of it just down. I love this kind of look. Let me know what you think. If there's something about this that's been beneficial to you, please share it in the comment section. I'm going to look forward to seeing you next time. Hey, join us, go ahead and subscribe. Love to have you. Have a good day now.